All right, this is not a video I wanted to make, and I'm gonna try and make this quick because I'm super annoyed right now, and I'll get into why I'm annoyed here in 2 seconds. Over the last year, I have been using this camera. This is Osmo Pocket 3 to do all of my filming for this channel. It's a great little gimbal camera, but the view screen, which is this guy right here, which is supposed to twist up like this to turn on, it just stays in this 45-degree angle. And so it's been doing that for the last couple of months, but I was kind of using it anyway. And then last week, it was on the tripod and it tipped over and it fell, and now the screen doesn't work at all. So it's basically unusable. I've contacted DJI to see about getting repaired because I still like the camera, but I'm gonna have to go with something else. And I'm filming this video on my old GoPro 8, and I hate this GoPro. It is so unreliable. I just filmed this whole video and unboxing of the new camera that I'm getting, and somewhere after about 2 minutes, the GoPro turned off for no reason. So I'm gonna make this video really quick because I don't trust that the GoPro's not gonna turn off again. So what are we going with? Our replacement camera for the Pocket 6 and GoPro is going to be this. It's going to be the Osmo Action 6. This is DJI's newest action camera. So it's basically a GoPro, but it's not a GoPro. It's a DJI. So I shouldn't have to worry about it turning off after 2 minutes of filming. By the way, I keep looking down at my phone to make sure that this stupid GoPro is still recording. Okay, so the GoPro the GoPro did turn off again, and but I noticed it this time at least. So, quick minor unboxing. So this is what we're going with. This is the Osmo Action 6. This is going to be the new camera, and because I can't unbox it because I already unboxed it, GoPro deleted that or didn't capture it. And this is the camera. What I like about this so far a lot is the little mount system. So this is a magnetic mount system, and it just clips on just like that, and it unclips with these little tabs here. Uh, but it's magnetic, so it holds on really well. I like that. I like the feel of it. It also will work with my DJI microphones, so I don't have to have a wired mic to get decent audio working with it. So that is great. And then the other thing, whereas the Pocket 3 was great because the gimbal stabilizes things, you can see this gimbal moving around or not moving around, and giving a nice stable video. As I would pan around and look at things, it makes it a little hard to get a direct shot in on things. So it's I think being able to just directly point the camera at exactly what I want to be shooting will be a big improvement for me. So, especially with the things I'm shooting, if I was mostly taking pictures of myself and walking around, the Pocket 3 would be perfect. But that's not normally what I'm shooting. So, I think I'm going to like using the Action 6 a lot better for the sort of video that I make on this channel. And I'm going to wrap this video up because this GoPro is probably going to stop recording again any second for reasons that are unbeknownst to me. So the next video is going to be filmed with the Osmo Action 6. Looking forward to it, and we will see you again here soon. Thanks for checking this video out. This is just a quick, I got to do something, so this is it. Thanks for watching.